Well, welcome back everybody. So today what we're doing is we've got a car here. The customer's concern is the oil pressure light comes on. So the first thing we're going to do is, well, first thing we're going to do is check the oil, which I've already done. The oil is a bit overfilled, which should not cause an oil pressure light to come on. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our snap-on pressure gauge and pull out the oil pressure switch, because I've already broke it loose. Now I just disconnected it, and it looks as though the reason the oil light is coming on is probably going to be a bad pressure switch. I'm going to say this without actually checking the pressure so far, just by looking inside the pressure switch, and it is full of oil, which means that the internal workings of the pressure switch are damaged, and we might even have damage to our ECM at this point. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put in our pressure sensor. So we're going to find the proper sensor, go ahead and put that in, or I mean the proper fitting. And we're going to get this threaded in and then connect the oil pressure gauge up and see where we're at. I'm going to go ahead and assume that it's probably going to be fine, just judging by the condition of the sensor itself. So since this is a tool, we're not going to tighten it real tight. So that should be good right there. We're going to take our pressure gauge, go ahead and drop it in, connect it, and see where we are as far as oil pressure. So let me get this car started. Works for me. So looks like the oil pressure is good on this. So I guess what we're going to have to start off with is with a oil pressure switch.